Is your transmission acting up, shifting harshly, or maybe it feels like it is stuck in one gear? That is a scary feeling, and it often points to the P2766 diagnostic trouble code. This code relates to the input or turbine speed sensor B circuit range and performance. Whether you drive a Honda, Mercedes, or a Ford, this generic powertrain code means your car's computer has detected a glitch with the sensor that measures how fast your transmission's input shaft is spinning. This sensor, usually labeled as sensor B, reads the revolutions per minute of the input shaft and sends that data to the powertrain control module. The computer compares this speed with your engine RPM and the output speed to decide exactly when to shift gears. If the numbers do not match up with what the computer expects, it triggers the code. When this happens, your car might go into what we call limp in mode. This is a safety feature where the transmission locks into a specific gear to prevent damage, but it makes for a very rough ride. You might see your speedometer jumping around, experience erratic shifting, or have poor fuel economy. In severe cases, the engine might even stall when you come to a stop. The causes are usually electrical or mechanical. It could be damaged wiring, a corroded connector, or the sensor itself might have failed. Sometimes it is as simple as dirty transmission fluid causing metal debris to stick to the magnetic tip of the sensor, interfering with the signal. To troubleshoot this, start by checking for any technical service bulletins for your specific vehicle. Then visually inspect the wiring harness going to the transmission. Look for burns, cuts, or corrosion. If the wiring looks good, you may need to remove the speed sensor to check for metal shavings. Wipe it clean and reinstall it. If you're comfortable with a multimeter, you can test the sensor's resistance against the manufacturer's specs. However, be very careful if you remove the sensor, as hot transmission fluid can pour out. If checking the wiring and cleaning the sensor does not clear the code and fix the shifting, it is time to visit a transmission specialist. Transmission work requires precision, and you do not want to risk further damage. Good luck and keep those gears turning smoothly.